Hello, I'm JAGA. Thank you for the 10 subscribe. Oh! I'm gonna eat 10 onigiri. Let's go.
Thank you so much for watching our channel.
This video is special thanks content. This video is made for commemoration of amazing 10 subscribers. I'm gonna eat this delicious 10 onigiri.
Oh, thank you for 10 subscribe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Spicy beef, yakiniku, mayonnaise, onigiri. Oh! Yes.
It's a super delicious onigiri filled with plenty of grilled beef seasoned with a slightly spicy kick.
Mm. どうですか？1個目食って最高。
Japanese chicken mayonnaise onigiri.
I'm saying it's chicken mayonnaise, but there's no chicken in it. It's tuna. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not sure why I'm looking at that building, but anyway, this onigiri is so delicious.
As I live in Japan, I really want everyone to eat this egg and rice onigiri.
Sweet and sweet, I think. They might do it. Can't wait, man. Can't wait, man. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing.
The deliciousness of the kelp blends perfectly with the rice, and even though it's my 5th onigiri, I just can't stop eating.
Thank you for number 6. Number 6. Oh! 明太子マヨネーズ。Oh yeah. マヨネーズいっぱいや。そんなにマヨネーズ。やっぱり俺にマヨネーズ最強ね。
This time, the 10 onigiri were chosen by JAGA, featuring his favorite fillings. Most of the fillings are packed with mayonnaise. I mean, mayonnaise really is the best, right?
Now 何時ぐらい？
あ、見た。おお、来ました。ちょっとお高めのやつ。ミートロ。これよ。めっちゃまずいよこれ。だって。If you're going to Japan and you have time to make a travel or sightseeing, there's no time, buy this. Right? Hungry, yeah.
eighth one, JAGA is in a full stomach emergency. Oh my god. Sure, eating 10 onigiri might have been too much, but I'm determined to keep eating them because I want to complete this challenge. Go, JAGA!
This is my final stage. Two. I wanna make you introduce two onigiri at once. Oh, okaka. And oh my god. Last one's oh my god. Spam oh my god. Three cheese ingredients. Yeah.
腹は何分目
Or five. Five, man. Let's try this. All good. Yes. なんか、米もなんかちょっとさっぱりというか全部めっちゃうまい。中華飯はめっちゃいい。マヨネーズとかじゃなくてジャパニーズテイスト。Thank you. Nice subscribers. Thank you.
Give up?
Not to give up. JAGA is going. とりあえずいっぱい行くわ。お。Thank you. But JAGA, I'm not going to retire this.
It's でもいいよ。
Everyone is like 200.
It's cheap, but compared to other onigiri, it costs about twice as much. In other words, this spam onigiri is double the price and size of the other onigiri. So the last onigiri has suddenly become much more challenging, both in terms of price and quality. Since JAGA has work in the morning, he needs to finish the onigiri in the next 10 minutes and catch the train to make it to work on time.
No JAGA. Let's go JAGA. Let's go. Ooh, look at this. Yes. I have been eating this time in America. In America, there is coffee and I cannot eat so much, but this is so easy to eat. And you can buy this and make a difference between America and Japan. Thank you for seeing subscribers. Oh, thank you. I can make it. Oh, cheese. Oh my god. Oh, めちゃくちゃうまいこれ。全然これ。うわ、これだってもうパンじゃなこれ。These are thankful to all subscribers. Party time. めっちゃうまい。まふね。ブラックですね。I wanna eat 10 onigiri every day. Just my breakfast, man. Please watch JAGA. Tell us what should I do for the next training or study or for you. Please make a comment, man. Just this. And my subscribe challenge is born. Thank you. Number one onigiri. I have onigiri. Every onigiri is so good, but to make one choice, One onigiri. Last one. One onigiri. Wait, yes. The first.
How many JAGA?
To for everything.
One.
So. Three. Every onigiri. Good night. Onigiri. The Japan convenience store onigiri.
If you like, please drop some ideas for the next JAGA subscriber challenge in the comments. Seriously, I mean it.
Bye.